God bless you, my dear students. I am always ready to make videos of your class of any topic. I am going to show you relation between CP and MP. You know that profit or loss is calculated on CP. Likewise, discount percent is calculated on MP. And both CP and MP, you can treat them in the same way. Let's see how. CP equal rupee 100, loss equal rupees 20. Now you know that if you want to find SP equals CP minus loss. Rupees 100 minus rupees 20, it is rupees 80. Loss percent equal loss by CP into 100. Rupees 20 by rupees 100 into 100. 100 cancel and it is 20. Loss percent equal 20. Sometimes we write it as 20%. In the same way, CP equal rupee 100, MP equal rupees 100. Loss equal rupees 20, discount equal rupees 20. SP equal CP minus loss, SP equal MP minus discount. Rupees 100 minus rupees 20 and rupees 80. Discount percent. Loss percent equal loss by CP. Discount percent equal discount by MP into 100. Rupees 20 by rupees 100 into 100. 100 cancel and it is 20 or 20%. You remember the formula of CP, SP, profit, loss, many more. Here you have to put MP in place of CP. MP in place of CP. Discount in place of loss. Let's see. CP equal SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. In place of CP, MP. In place of loss, discount. So it will be MP equal SP into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. Again, SP equal CP into 100 minus loss percent by 100. In place of CP, MP. In place of loss, discount. So, SP equal MP into 100 minus discount percent by 100. You have to use the formula according to what are given and what is to find. Always remember this, what are given and what are to find. According to that, you have to use suitable formula. Let's start first question. The marked price of a pant is rupees 1250 and the shopkeeper allows a discount of 8% on it. Find the discount and the selling price of the pant. Here MP equal rupees 1250. Discount percent 8%. And you have to find discount and selling price. As you know, discount equal 8% of MP. That means 1250. 8% 8 by 100 into 1250. After solving, 4 2 ja, 4 25 ja, 25 1 ja, 25 5 ja, 125 and 25 0 ja. 50 into 2. It is rupees 100. You can solve it yourself as you wish. Now SP. SP equal CP minus loss. As I told you, you have to put MP in place of CP and discount in place of loss. So SP equal MP minus discount, rupees 1250 minus rupees 100 and it is rupees 1150. Thus you got here the discount is rupees 100 and the selling price of the pant is rupees 1150. Now question number 2. The marked price of a water cooler is rupees 5400. The shopkeeper offers an off-season discount of 20% on it. Find its selling price. MP equals rupees 5400. Discount percent equal rupees 20%. You have to find selling price. You know that SP equal CP into 100 minus loss percent by 100. And I told you, put MP in place of CP and put discount in place of loss. So here it will be SP equal MP into 100 minus discount percent by 100. Put the values. MP 5400, discount 20. 100 minus 20, it is 80. Now cancel it. 10, 10, 10, 10. And after multiplication you will find 4320. In this way you got it. The selling price of the water cooler is 4320. Now question number 3. An almirah of marked price rupees 4000 is sold for rupees 3700 after allowing certain discount. Find the rate of discount. Here MP equals 4000, SP equals 3700. Now what is the difference between MP and SP? MP minus SP. This is called discount. So 4000 minus 3700 equal 300. Now you have to find rate of discount. That means discount percent. Discount is always calculated on MP. So discount percent is discount by MP into 100. It is equal to 300 by 4000 into 100. Cancel 30. It will be 30 by 4. Now 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s and 2 5s are 7.5%. Or you can write 7.5. The rate of discount is 7.5% or 7.5%. Now question number 4. Find the rate of discount. Again same question. Being given on a ceiling fan whose selling price is rupees 1175. After allowing a discount of rupees 75 on its marked price. Here SP equal rupees 1175. Discount equal rupees 75. As you did it before, CP equal SP plus loss. Now put MP in place of CP and put discount in place of loss. So you get here MP equal SP plus discount. MP equal 1175, discount 75. Add them, it will be 1250. Now discount percent equal discount by MP into 100. 75 by 1250 into 100. And after solving, 25 3s are 25, 5s are 5, 2s are. After solving, you will get the rate of discount is 6%. Now question number 5. Find the marked price of a washing machine which is sold at rupees 8400 after allowing a discount of 16%. This is selling price 8400 and discount percent is 16. So you have to find MP. MP equal SP into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. SP is 8400. Discount percent is 16. 100 minus 16, 84. Now cancel it. 84 1 ja 84 and 84 100 ja 8400. 100 into 100 10,000. The marked price of the washing machine is rupees 10,000. Remember one thing, you have to remember all the formulas first so that you can solve it easily. Now question number 6. A dinner set was bought for rupees 2,464 after getting a discount of 12% on its marked price. Find the marked price of the dinner set. Here you find CP equal 2,464, but it is for the customer, not for the shopkeeper. So CP of the dinner set is rupees 2464 for the customer, but it is the SP selling price of the dinner set for the shopkeeper. So right here SP of the dinner set 2464, discount percent is 12. Now mark price equal SP into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. SP is 2464 into 100 by 100 minus 12, and it is 2464 into 100 by 88. Now cancel it. 8 1 ja 8 1 ja, 8 3 ja 24, 8 0 ja 8 8 ja 64, 11 2 ja 22, 11 8 ja 88. It is 2800 or 2800. The marked price of the dinner set is rupees 2800. Now question number 7. The marked price of a computer is rupees 22,000. After allowing a 10% discount, a dealer still makes a profit of 20%. Find the cost price of a computer. Marked price, discount, MP equal rupees 22,000, discount 10%. Use the formula SP equal MP into 100 minus discount percent by 100. Put the value 22,000 and 10. 100 minus 10, 90. 1 0 cancelled, 1 0 cancelled. 9 2 ja 18, 9 2 ja 18, 1 19. 19800. So SP of the computer is 19,800. Again, SP equal rupees 19,800. Profit percent is 20. So CP is equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percent. 19,800 into 100 by 100 plus 20, 120. Now 0 0 cancel. 12 1 ja 12 1 ja 12, left 7 7 8 78. 12 6 ja 72. Now 6 0 60, 12 5 ja 60. It is 165 and 00. That means 16,500. The cost price of the computer is 16,500. Now question number 8. The marked price of a double bed is rupees 9,575. A shopkeeper allows a discount of 12% and still gains 10%. After allowing a discount of 12%, he still gets 10% profit. Find the cost price of the double bed. First you write here MP, discount percent, and then use formula of SP, MP into 100 minus discount percent by 100. Put the value of MP and discount percent. Solve it. Here, first of all, 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, and 25, 4 ja 100, 5 5 ja, and 5 1 ja, 5 9 ja 45, 5 1 ja 5, and 5 5 ja 25. Again 5 3 ja 15, 4 5 4 ja 80, and then 5 3 ja 15. 383 into 22. It will be 8,426. You can do it yourself. Now you got here SP is equal to rupees 8,426. You have to find cost price. So SP equal 8,426. Profit percent is here 10. CP equal SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percent. Put the values and solve it. After solving, you will get here 11 7 ja 77, 11 6 ja 66, and again 11 6 ja 66. So it is 7,660. The cost price of the double bed is rupees 7,660. Now question number 9. A dealer buys a bicycle for rupees 1,250 and marks it 40% above its cost price. If he allows 8% discount, find selling price of the bicycle and also profit percent. Here CP equal 1250, MP equal 40% above, more than its cost price. 40% more than cost price. 40% more than cost price, 1250. Now it's mean 1250 plus 40% of 1250. Solve it. 40 by 100 into 1250. Cancel it. 0, 0. 125 into 4. It is 500. 1250 plus 500, 1750. He marks his bicycle rupees 1750. MP equals 1750. Now again, discount percent is 8. You have to find selling price. Use the formula. SP equal MP into 100 minus discount percent by 100. Put the value. 100 minus 8 is 92. Now cancel it. 5 2 ja, 5 3 ja 15, 5 5 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 6 ja, 35 into 46. It is 1610. The selling price of the bicycle is 1610. Now second part of this question, profit percent. SP equal 1610, CP 1250, profit equal SP minus CP. So subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 11 minus 5, 6, 5 minus 2, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. That means profit equal rupees 360. Now profit percent equal profit by CP into 100, 360 by 1250 into 100. Cancel it. 25 5 ja, 25 4 ja. Now 36 4 ja, 144 by 5. 5 2 ja, 10. 5 8 ja, 40 and plus 4. 28 whole 4 by 5. Here profit percent is 28 whole 4 by 5%. Now last question, question number 10. Preeti allows 8% discount on the marked price of the suit and still makes a profit of 15%. If her gain over the sale of a suit is rupees 156, find the marked price of a suit. So here profit equal rupees 156, profit percent is 15. Now you know the formula of profit percent. Profit percent equal profit by CP into 100. Take this CP here and profit at the place of CP. So you find CP equal profit by profit percent into 100. Profit 156, profit percent 15 into 100. Divide it. 5 3 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 0 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja, 3 2 ja. 52 into 20, 1040, rupees 1040. Cost price of the suit is rupees 1040. Now, profit equal rupees 156. So, SP of the suit is CP plus profit. 1040 plus 156 equal 1196. This is the SP. Again, SP equal 1196. Discount percent 8. MP equal SP into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. 1196 into 100 by 100 minus 8. It is 92. Now, divide it. 2 4 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 5 ja, 2 9 ja and 2 8 ja. 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja. 2 2 ja, 2 9 ja, 2 9 ja. Now here 23 1 ja, 23 1 ja and 23 3 ja. 13 into 100, 1300. The marked price of the suit is rupees 1300. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe it, and also press the bell icon for notification of my new videos.